Hi art friends. We've painted a color wheel and now we're going to be doing something with it to make it into a piece that we can be proud of. So to begin with, you're going to get a standard size of white paper and a 9x6 piece of black paper, and you're going to glue the black paper onto the white paper so it looks like it's half black, half white. And of course we want to put our name on the back of this so we know what's what. And then we're going to take this to the dry rack for the day. We're just prepping this for the next day. Then we're going to get our color wheel, we're going to cut it out, we're going to get a 9x6 piece of white and black paper. And once we've cut our color wheel out, we are going to lay it on the black and white paper. And we want to lay it so that the dark side of the color wheel is on the dark half of the paper and the light half of the color wheel is on the light half of the paper. So I actually have this backwards in the video, but I'm folding it in half. Usually it's green to orange is where the cut is for the dark and light side of the color wheel. And then here in the next image you can see I've glued it on to the black and white paper with the light side on white, the dark side on black. Now I'm going to take some letters that have been cry cut and I'm going to arrange them on my glued color wheel. So this paper's glued on the back. I'm tracing them and then I'm cutting them. And then once I've cut them out, I'm going to go back to that very first piece of paper I had, where I had the big white piece of paper and the little half sheet of black. So I'm going to lay them opposite. So now my light color wheel is on the black and my dark color wheel is on the white. So I have contrast and I'm gluing them on. And it's very important that you glue well, so you apply the glue and then you hold it on the letter. You put your hand on the letter and just hold them and embrace your stickiness. So here you can see some different letters that are laid out, creating contrast, light and dark. So then the last step is to take a silver Sharpie and a black marker and just have fun with it. And do designs on it. You can do so many different things. It's totally up to you what you do. You just, want to continue that contrast and make something that you can be proud of. Thanks for watching.